How to remove text from videos in CapCut. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can remove text from videos in CapCut. So let's just dive right into the video and find out. So first thing is placing up the video into your timeline. You can just go ahead and do that, and once you do it, you can go ahead and what you need to do is you need to overlay the same video. So one of the method is overlaying the same video first. So once you do that, what you can do is crop out the part of the video from which you wanna remove it. For example, let's say you wanna keep the background, like first thing is making sure the background is similar. After that, click on right. And when you do that, you can just go ahead and place it like this. So when you do that, so you need to make it more smoother if you want the changes to be applied and the text to be removed. Apart from that, the another method we can apply is blurring. So you can blur instead the part of the video that you like using the CapCut app, and when you do that, it will do it. So that is it. You can use this method if you want to remove the text from videos in CapCut. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.